Hello all. In the previous video, we have seen route handlers being handled using single function. Well, in this video, we will see how route handlers can be handled using an array of functions, or the other way, how we can use array of functions to handle various routes. Okay, so let's dive into a live example right away. Let's go to the VS Code. So here I have a simple yet a very effective example ready for you all. So as you can see here, we have a couple of middleware functions. Okay, basically these are two callback functions with three parameters: req, res, and next. Next is used to shift the current middleware function to the next middleware function. Next is used to end one cycle and move to a different function. Okay, so here we have a couple of middleware functions. Now, what are they going to print? They're going to print a message on the console stating middleware 1 and middleware 2. These two are basically debug messages that I've kept intentionally to check if they are working. Then this is the fun part. Here I have a third callback function, which is a handler which has only two parameters. Okay, since we do not have another function waiting, another middleware function waiting after handler, so I did not use next. So we have req and res, two parameters. Okay, now I'm using the app.get method to get back the request. Okay, and the route I'm using here is example. And as you can see, I have mentioned the array of functions, namely middleware 1, middleware 2 from the above, and handler. The route URL path is /example. Now the get method will send a request and get back the response. Okay. Now I've used res.send, the response method, for const handler, that is the third function. Okay, so this we will be looking at in the browser, and the remaining functions messages would be seen in the console. So let's go ahead and run this particular example. It's very simple, but very yet very effective. Okay, so let's say node. Oops, it's not server. It's app1.js. So the server is up and running on the port 3000. Now, as you can see, the console messages have not been printed yet because because these are array of functions which are tied to the app.get method, and upon triggering the URL /example on port 3000, we will be getting the respective responses. So let's move to the nearest browser. We're not greeting anyone. See, example. So we got the hello from the handler, which is the handler function, the last callback. And as you can see here in our console, we got middleware 1 and middleware 2 as the responses. So this is how we can manage the array of functions. And it's a very effective method, and it has a very wide range of applications. So since we have understood how this works, in the next video we will see how can we combine, or how we can combine a single array of function, a single function with array of functions. Okay, we will see that in the coming video. Thank you.